Welcome. Dive into the pulse of global markets daily with ABR Market Watch. From tech titans to commodity trends, we've got you covered. Stay ahead of the game, subscribe now, and let data drive your financial future. Good day, listeners. Today we are diving into the latest updates on the global financial markets, covering everything from stock performances to commodity prices and central bank policies. Let's kick off our analysis with the current market volatility and its ties to central bank actions shaping global equities. Our story begins by exploring the surge in market turbulence, primarily fueled by geopolitical tensions, economic uncertainties, and rapidly changing interest rates. In response, central banks have implemented diverse monetary policies. The US Federal Reserve's decision to raise interest rates and reduce its balance sheet has caused ripples throughout global markets, particularly affecting emerging economies. Conversely, the European Central Bank's dovish stance on interest rates has supported European equities, despite a slowing economic growth outlook. Meanwhile, China's aggressive monetary easing measures have buoyed its stock market, offering a counterbalance to the global downward trend. However, these actions also spark concerns about escalating debt levels and potential future instability. As we move forward, it's crucial for investors to closely monitor central bank policies, as they play a vital role in determining global equity trends. To navigate this volatile market environment effectively, it's essential to understand the intricacies of each region's economic landscape and how it is influenced by monetary policy decisions. A diversified portfolio and cautious approach may offer investors a better chance at weathering these financial storms. Moving on from central bank policies, let's discuss the mixed results seen in Q1 2023 across various global markets. In the stock market, major indices such as the S&P 500 and Dow Jones Industrial Average recorded modest gains due to improved consumer confidence and positive economic data. However, tech stocks continued to struggle owing to ongoing regulatory concerns and profitability issues. The US dollar strengthened against most major currencies during Q1 2023 due to increased investor risk aversion and expectations of higher interest rates in the US. This trend impacted emerging market economies, especially those dependent on exports. Energy prices remained high as a result of ongoing geopolitical tensions and tight supply conditions. However, gold saw a significant drop in value as investors opted for riskier assets like stocks. Agricultural commodities also experienced volatility due to weather-related disruptions and geopolitical uncertainties. The US economy grew at a steady pace during Q1 2023, driven by strong consumer spending and increased business investments. Unfortunately, the Eurozone and China experienced slower growth due to persisting trade tensions and supply chain disruptions. Looking ahead, analysts predict that market volatility will continue, with potential triggers including geopolitical developments, interest rate decisions, and corporate earnings reports. Investors are advised to maintain a diversified portfolio and stay vigilant regarding market trends. To wrap up our discussion today, we'll briefly touch on several stocks that had notable events like annual general meetings, acquisitions, regulatory actions, and more. Companies such as HDFC Bank, Hindustan Aeronautics, Tata Consultancy Services, Granules India, Vidhi Specialty, Tanla Platforms, etc., were among those with significant developments during this period. In addition to these stories, we covered foreign portfolio investments, FPIs, and domestic institutional investors, DIIs, sector-specific commodity prices, Indian rupee and government bond yields, ex-dividend, ex-bonus issues, shares set to exit anchor lock-in periods, securities in ban period, Nifty June futures and options, and much more. That's all for today's financial market update. Stay tuned for more insightful analysis on the global financial scene. Until then, happy investing.